We are going to be doing steps 1 through 3 in your instruction booklet. You're going to be starting with your fabric, and if you have it laid out, you want to open it so it's on the wrong side of the fabric. Okay, the wrong side is the one that has the shiny coating on it. This is the side you'll be drawing on. You are going to be using the measurements in your instruction booklet. You can use the picture and you can use the dimensions underneath it. And you're going to be drawing this onto your fabric. Okay? Notice the top and the sides of your instructions are using the edge of your fabric. And the fabric down here is all extra. Notice there's no extra on the top or the side. Okay? That means we're going to be measuring from the side of your fabric over 33 inches and from the top of your fabric down 18 inches to make the first piece, which is the body piece. You're going to use your yardstick and line it up at the edge of your fabric, and you're going to measure over to 33 inches. You're going to use a piece of chalk to make a mark right at 33 inches. Okay. You're going to do this again 2 more times so that you have 3 spots at 33 inches. So I'm going to measure again to 33, and then I'm going to measure again. At 33. Then I can connect these lines to make sure that they're going to be straight. So I line up the yardstick, and I'm going to connect the lines with the chalk. Okay. So from the distance from the edge over will be 33 inches. Now I have to measure from the top down 18 inches. So I'm going to line up and do the same thing. I'm going to make 3 lines at the 18-inch mark so that I know my line is going to be straight. And I'm going to line up with the edge of my ruler. And connect those lines. Okay. This piece is going to be called the body. So I'm going to label body just like it says in the picture. Notice this is all on the wrong side of your fabric, the side that has the shiny coating on it, not on the right side. We don't want the writing to be on the outside of your bag. You want it on the inside or the wrong side. Once you're done with the body piece, you're going to move on. You have 2 end pieces and a pocket piece left. The end pieces are squares, and they're going to be 9 1/4 inches long. Okay? So I'm going to measure from the edge of my body piece line over 9 1/4 inches and make a mark. Okay? And I'm going to do this again 3 times. So when I connect them, I know they'll be straight. Now I'm going to make it so that the 9 1/4 line going up and down, I'm going to have 2 of them because I have 2 end pieces. So I'm going to put my ruler from the top. I'm going to measure to 9 1/4 inches. I'm going to do this 3 times, just like before. I'm going to connect this line. Okay. I'm going to need this one for my next piece for my pocket, so I'm making it a little bit longer right now to save myself a little bit of work later since the dimensions are the same. Okay. Now from this line, I've got 1 end piece here. And now I have to do the same thing to this one. So I measure from the top down, 9 1/4 inches, 9 1/4, and 9 1/4, and then I can connect these. Now notice right here that these are not the same distances. This was 18 inches from the top. Okay? This one is going to end up being 18.5 inches. So these two lines should not be the same. Okay? And I will label this one as an end piece also. The last piece I have to draw is going to be the pocket. Okay? It should be 9 1/4 inches from the top, which I already did from my line from my end piece. So that line is already drawn. This one needs to be 8 inches from my other end piece. So I'm going to make my mark at 8. At 8 again. And at 8. And then I can connect from the top all the way down. And if these two don't quite match up, I can make them match up. And then this one is going to be called the pocket.